guys, and today we're doing a video, and I haven't uploaded for ages, and I apologize. I've been doing Christmas stuff and stuff with my family and stuff like that. But can you see a difference? I dyed my hair blonde. I like it. Comment down below if you like it or don't like it. But I have a very exciting announcement. So finally, we've got a camera. So basically, this is not my camera, but it is my dad's, and he's gonna let me do it. And D800s are bloody expensive, so I'm going to have to wear this little strap around my neck because it's not mine and I don't want to break it. And right now we don't have enough money to afford another camera. And I know what you're thinking, Brock, why aren't you doing it on a camera now? But we don't have any lenses, so we're gonna have to buy some lenses. And no, I know if you're thinking, Brock, you spoiled, you just got this for nothing. No, we've had this for years, but we've never got around to it, and we happened to find it in our wardrobe, so we're gonna maybe get some lenses. And yes, back on topic with the strap, so I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to wear one because unfortunately it's not my camera and I don't want to break it. So if the camera thing isn't big enough, I'm gonna get like extended one so I can wear it while obviously vlogging. And yeah, so I'm sorry for that, but I just have to. It's and a very expensive camera and a high quality camera. I just don't want to drop it. So, but yeah, I just wanted to inform you guys on that. And yeah, so probably the next video I will do will be a vlog. So guys, sorry, I got a bit of a sore throat, but so guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see. Oh my god. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Actually, peace out now.